Aloha, I'm Chef Michi and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. Today we're going to make easy chicken shepherd pie. Preheat oven to 325 degrees. Prepare an 8x8 casserole dish with non-stick cooking spray. Heat the oil in a large pan, add the onions and cook until brown, about 3 minutes. Then add the thyme, granulated garlic, garlic salt, black pepper, and stock. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer. Add the frozen veggies and cooked chicken and return the liquid to a simmer. Sprinkle in 1 cup of the potato flakes until the sauce starts to thicken. Remove from the heat. Add 4 cups of potato flakes to a bowl and slowly add boiling water per package directions. The finished potatoes should be thick to ensure it sets well. Pour the chicken mixture into the casserole and top with the mashed potatoes. Use a spatula to make a thin, even layer. Sprinkle with cheese and bake for 30 minutes until heated through and beautifully browned. Enjoy this healthy, hearty dish with a glass of Sauvignon Blanc. For this recipe and more, go to ktasuperstores.com/recipes.